I trust that we in Akbayan, together with our allies around the world, can rally more voices and put even more pressure behind the push to make Duterte and his acolytes accountable for their crimes against humanity, for their sins against the most vulnerable Filipino people. Alam ko po na ang daming kalat ni Duterte na hirap tayong linisin. Ang kadiliman noong panahon niya ay talaga namang nanuot sa ating lipunan. Parang mansa na napakahirap tanggalin. At habang ang anak niya ay may kapangyarihan pa, hindi magiging madali ang ating laban. While VP Sara is in power, the threat of a full-blown Duterte comeback is still a very real and present danger. For one, they are supported by one major superpower, China. China, who sends her ships out to the West Philippine Sea to harass and intimidate Filipino personnel.